channel. I just finished recording. I was not planning to record. I just finished recording my review on this really quick. Since I did have to do my hair for tomorrow, I might as well just record. So I'm giving you my honest opinion on this product. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Why don't you just stay tuned and keep watching? Because I bought the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So it comes in a box like this. That's how it looks. This is the rave. Everybody's talking about this online, in social media. And I went and I bought it. So my hair is not Caucasian hair. Let's just put it that way. It's not, well, you can see it. It's like this. It is wet right now. And it does get a little frizzy if I don't do it correctly. But guys, this thing makes your hair silky. I mean straight, like if you did it with an iron. That's how good this is. Now, you do have to play with it because it is this big. So if you have thin hair like me, then you have to kind of like do it in an angle where you're bringing your hair down, because if you go like this, you're gonna have a lot of volume up here and then it's gonna be straight. You're not gonna look good. Kind of like what's going on right here. Okay, so I usually just separate it like this. And my hair has been falling out like crazy ever since I had my girls. And this was years ago. So if you want to see how I've been getting my hair to grow, let me know and I will definitely record that, because struggle is real and it was a real struggle. Now I'm gonna turn this on. It does make a lot of noise, so you got to get used to that as well. But yeah, you'll see. Can y'all see that? So, show you the back. Feels very silky. See if you can see it. But that's how the hair looks in the back. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. Now, I take like this much from both sides and then the same thing from the back. Again, I have a little bit of hair, so I really don't take that long. But this has been a game changer for me. And I forgot to tell you, so it goes on the bottom and you just twist it like that and it turns on. finish, I think I'm just gonna do this whole section right here. Just because I'm lazy. That's how my hair is growing. Bald. I was worse. Okay, so alright, so you see this? This is what you get if you don't know how to, if you don't mess with it, if you don't style your hair. So I usually part my hair to the side, and then voila, and that's all I do, guys. That is all I do. So I did get a little sweaty, but look at my hair. All right. So that's it. It is okay. So it cost $60. It is worth the money, and I gotta hurry up before my sunlight, the sun goes down. But anyways, so let's bring, as always, instructions. What else can I tell you? Because I'm in love with this product. I have no idea what to tell you. All I can tell you is go buy it. It's worth it. And I hope you like this video. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Go get this. Go get it. Oh, and don't forget to let me know down at the bottom if you want to know how I've helped my hair grow, what I'm using, what oils I'm using, just everything that I'm doing, what I did to get my hair to grow. Because it is quite a story what I've been through with my hair. So, see ya.